Good morning. It's a beautiful morning and I am out earlier than everyone else. And the reason is, well, we are at Street Machine Weekend 2025 hosted by Street Wheelers Car Club. And I am heading to the 100-foot dash. And I want to be there early enough to check out the cars that are going into the tech line, see what they look like. And I just enjoy talking to some of the other car guys and drivers. And by the end of this video though, we are going to have taken in the 100-foot dash as well as the car show tomorrow. So thank you for coming back to Prairie Wings. And I'm Merle Mayer. Let's check this out. There have already been a bunch teched in, but we have a treat, a big lineup of some pretty cool stuff. You guys having a good day?
Yeah.
Absolutely. When your car gets hurt, sometimes you need a Band-Aid. Don't forget your dog tied to the bumper. That is all we have right here, but I am sure the lineup will get longer. Had to pre-enter to get into this stuff, so there's only a certain amount of slots. And definitely looking forward to seeing these do their 100-foot dash. The more interesting thing is seeing some of them stop. There is not a big shutdown area. So it's too bad he left his dog tied to the back bumper, but I can see why he might be distracted. So I am here with Curtis. Hey Curtis, good. You want to tell me a little bit about your car? Show me what's going on.
It's a 78 Cutlass Cruiser station wagon, 4.8 liter single turbo, budget build. Basically built it on the internet.
Nice.
Yeah.
All bolt together.
All bolt together, yeah.
Good deal. Let's take a look and show me what you got under the hood here.
Gen 4 4.8 cheap Chinese turbo. Just a basic setup.
Nice.
Yeah.
So how much horsepower do you make?
Makes around 750 to the tire.
Nice. So just a little bit.
A little bit, yeah.
Yeah. Right on. So do you have any other hidden goodies for us to take a look at?
Yeah, I got have a look at here. The boost gauge there.
Okay.
It's a bingo dauber. I got a gauge in the end there. See that?
Nice. Yeah, it looks like you're running Holly here.
Yep, yeah.
Okay.
Holly, yep. Around back here. Method battery in the cooler. Fuel cell under the luggage.
Now, I have to say that's the kind of luggage that I like.
I travel light.
No, that's pretty sweet. And what was the dog's name?
Sage.
Sage?
My miniature pincher.
Oh, wow.
Rest in peace.
Yes.
It actually says RIP on it.
Oh, that's awesome. Right on. Well, thanks for letting me check your car out, and you have a fun time.
Yeah, thanks.
All right, take care. The line got long and I was busy visiting, so I missed a bunch of cars that went through. Cool stuff. There's still more coming.
Oh, we're in the third gear, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, there we go.
Very nice truck, very tastefully done.
Thank you.
So, what's your name?
My name's DJ Lusley.
Nice. And you and your wife have a beautiful old Fargo here?
Yes. Yeah, it's I've had it now for about 4 years.
Nice.
And I bought it just because I like the style of it. But I always have liked that style of truck. So
Nice. What about the style did you really like? What brings you to it?
mostly like the nose, the way it comes, to that rounded point in the front. I've just always liked that style with the fenders
And I like
hanging
the cab.
off. And
Awesome. Yeah.
yeah, and I got it to drive it. So that's why it's patina. I don't have to worry about dings, scratches.
Yeah.
And put a lot of work into it over 4 years, and I want it to be something reliable so that I can
Perfect.
drive around in the summer.
So, how did you make it reliable? I learned to drive on a 47 Dodge, a 1-ton truck, and this is pretty cool, but yours is obviously easier to drive. So what's that?
Yeah, so what I did was when I bought the Fargo, I also bought a 91 Dakota frame and chassis, like complete truck, and then I just used the frame, drive line, and the engine, and basically mounted the Fargo on top of the 91 Dakota. So gives me a little more reliability, better suspension, so I can drive it around town all I want, which that's all I've done this year. But
Awesome. It looks good, and I bet you it won't spin the tires though, right? Not on the street anyway.
oh, it will.
Oh, okay. But you don't do that on the street though.
No, not at all.
No. Awesome. Well, you did a great job. Thanks for taking the time to talk to me.
Yeah, no problem. Thank you very much.
So obviously when you're watching this, Street Machine weekend is ending. The parking lot is clearing out. All the cars are going away. And it is time to leave. So if you're looking for something to do next year, 2026, come to Street Machine Weekend. It is an awesome event, but we need to get going. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.